Okay, so I got this auto mirror folding module from Jason of Mod Society. And Mod Society offers a lot of accessories for multiple platforms. So their stuff is actually great with good quality. And many of you might not know, but I have the OEM Subaru one on my car, but let's review this product from Mod Society. So this kit came with the wiring harness with very good quality, which I can give a 10 out of 10. So the main module of this kit is also in good shape and quality, and I like the size and how it's sleek. So this kit also comes with a velcro, so you can stick the module and also remove it whenever you remove the door panel and stuff. Now let's get on to the driver's side and install this kit. First, let me remove the door handle cover behind with it. Now grab your pry tool and pry it out. Now grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screw behind. Now let's remove the plastic trim on this door. Now grab a screwdriver and remove these two screws. Now next we're gonna remove the pop clips around this door, and I'm gonna start from the inner side. If you do it from the outer, it will swing away. Now let's start our way from the inner side and work our way around the outer side of the door. So after working your way around, there's gonna be two pop clips in the middle, so just pull it around the middle and it will come off. Next, let's roll down the window to give us more space to work around. Next, we pull away the door trim and lift it up. Now to remove the door and lock cables, let's just pull away this cable and lift it up. So here's a closer look. So simply lift the ball to get it out of the hook. Next on the bottom, you will see the cable for the courtesy lights. Now for the base model like this one, there's gonna be a dummy. Now simply remove the connector for the mirror and window controls. Now for the OEM harness, it actually connects to this part behind the plastic with the module on this side. So I placed mine right here. So we can actually place our module or your Mod Society module. Now here's the wiring harness that Mod Society provided. Now this is the 20-pin connector that goes between your door harness and the mirror and window controls. Now here's the best thing about this kit. Now this harness connects between this connector right here on the door. So the good thing about it is for those who doesn't want to remove this plastic on the door, you can actually connect this and move the wirings outside of the plastic. So you don't have to deal with that gooey silicone thing around the plastic. Now we connect the auto folding mirror module to this harness. Now grab the magic tape and stick it back here. Now before you permanently stick this to your door, let's try it out. Now you can route the harness behind this plastic right here and place the module on this side of the door. Now we connect the harness to the controls and put things back together. Now for the door latch and the lock, simply do it the other way around. Place the ball into the hook and lock it on the side. Now for the door trim, simply align it from the inner side on this part of the window so you get the fine alignment. Now we push the pop clips on the door trims, and here are their locations. Now we restore the door handle and the door latch. Now that's it for the installation. Now this kit folds on lock and unfolds on unlock. Now for the OEM Subaru kit, it also folds on lock but doesn't unfold on unlock. So it actually unfolds when the car is at ignition. So there are many people who actually likes the Mod Society kit because you can distinguish if your car is actually locked or unlocked by looking at the side mirrors. So let us know what you think on this kit. So I think it's a 10 out of 10 for quality and the ease on installation because of that great wiring harness they have. So thank you for Mod Society for sending us this product. And thank you all for supporting this channel, and see you on the next one.